Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Kathy's Beautiful Blooms. I thought it would be fun today to put together like a Valentine's shadow box. I have this wooden box here. It's a very lightweight, and I painted it with a beautiful antique plaid color. And I have some faux flowers and greenery that I'm going to place into my container. I made this little bow here and I'm going to fluff that up. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and put my bow in here. Let's see, I think I'm going to put it in on this side here. I'm going to go ahead and stick my bow right down in there. Can you guys see that? We're going to fluff the bow up in a minute, so that's fine, okay? And I have these beautiful blooms here. They're so lively and they're silk and they're so pretty. And so these are going to go, I'm going to put these in at an angle like this, like just like that. Let me find a good spot. Okay, and I have a beautiful silk rose, and we're just going to pop that down right there. I have a hydrangea. I'm just going to kind of pop that down right in between there. And let's see, I have a bunch of these beautiful branches here. So I thought I might put these in the back. I can always move them if it's not exactly where I want it to be. Let's see, this is a large one. I have a little piece of greenery here. I'm just going to stick that out the back to kind of fill that up. And I have some beautiful eucalyptus. And I'll probably just put some of that there. And I have another piece, so I'm probably going to put it over here. We're making a cute little shadow box. And I have some little filler hydrangeas. So we'll probably just pop some in here. Find a good spot for that. That's very lively. How's everybody doing? Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. My Facebook group is Floral Class with Kathy. If you get a chance, pop over there. If you make anything, please send me a photo. I'd love to see it. I love when you guys send me your work. And thank you, of course, for subscribing to my channel. It's growing really good, and I appreciate all of you. And I have some of these beautiful blooms here. Let's see, where could we put that? Maybe pop one kind of toward the side. And we have a lot going on in the front, so let me see if I can find one with a good bigger stem, and I'll just have that like kind of peeking out back there, just kind of peeking out in the back. Put those in the back, and so I have 3 of those. Let's see, what else do we need? I got this one. So, well, I do want my eucalyptus to poke out a little bit more. Put some of these in the front. I think that'll be pretty. Put some on the side right here. And I'm going to fluff this bow up really nice. I wanted it to go in kind of low and not be overpowering, but I think this beautiful wine colored with the gold is so pretty for Valentine's Day. Something a little bit different and no water needed. You can keep it forever. So I do want that to be low because these are my focals. Put it in one more time right there. And fluff this up again underneath it. Just like that. Just like that. Okay? That's looking so beautiful already. And then I'm going to put a few more of these beautiful ones right here. And let's see, do we need some more right here? We need one right here. Oh, the flower's missing on that one. Or the flower was too low on that one. And push this one down. We don't want it sticking up too much. Okay. So make this come out a little bit more. And we do need some more flowers right here. Let me just cut this piece. Sorry, I'm going off camera. I'm kind of winging it today because I have a busy schedule getting ready for my next video. And I have something exciting coming up for you guys. And that should be maybe later today, hopefully. And then tuck my leaf down. I don't need that leaf showing right there. And I need this to come out a little bit more like this. Just like that. With these little shadow boxes, there's so many things you can do with them, and they're so fun. These little leaves back here, and let's see how the back's looking. I don't want to forget the back. I'll put my longer pieces here, just like that. And then I might put a couple more of these, just peeking kind of over the top a bit. One there and one there. And you can see how lovely our shadow box is already starting to look. So I'm just going to look for any holes. That's all I'm going to look for now, is any little holes that we might need to fill. Okay, there's one right there. And that's, I love it when you get to the end and you can see that that's the final touch. Okay, I might fluff that up a little bit more. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do to this beautiful little piece. Okay, there we have it. That's for the thumbnail, the smile. Just put your little bow in, your little filler flowers. And let's see, this might be coming up a little bit too far. Let me just arrange that again. It's so easy to put together a little shadow box. Just grab a little box and put your little bow and put your flowers in there, and it's going to be so nice. I might put this one coming out to the side and a longer piece coming out to this side. And if you just play with it a little bit, you'll get it just perfect. Thank all of you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And I hope everybody has a happy Valentine's Day. And stay tuned to the channel because we have an exciting next project. Bye-bye.